Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to import passwords and bookmarks into the Mozilla Firefox web browser from other web browsers. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the menu icon up at the top right corner. Just go ahead and left click on that and go down and select the settings option. On the right side versus import browser data, import bookmarks, passwords, history, and autofill data into Firefox. Select the import data button, and then you can select whatever browser you want to import the data from. And you can also further specify what data you wish to import by selecting the plus sign. And then any data that is available in said browser should be listed under here and available to either be checked or unchecked. You would select the import button to go ahead and actually import it, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.